Today, content discovery on Pinterest is rapidly changing. The platform uses artificial intelligence to decide which pins are recommended to users in the home feed and search results. However, most creators and small businesses still rely on traditional analytics that only show basic numbers like impressions, saves, and followers. These metrics don't explain why reach suddenly drops, why some pins perform better than others, or what creators should improve to grow their audience. To solve this problem, we built PinIntel Pro, an intelligent analytics platform designed to help creators understand and improve their visibility in the era of generative search. PinIntel Pro analyzes your profile against competitors to uncover growth opportunities. We provide clear recommendations to optimize your content strategy and master Pinterest SEO, helping you outrank the competition with precision analytics. Getting started is seamless. Simply input your brand's Pinterest URL and add the profiles of your top 5 competitors to benchmark against. Finally, define your target keywords. These inputs allow PinIntel to tailor its intelligence engine specifically to your niche, identifying exactly where you stand in the market landscape. Once you hit start, our advanced scraper goes to work, extracting real-time data from every public board and pin on your profile. The system then processes this data through our intelligent multi-stage scoring engine, calculating critical metrics from geo-authority to content consistency. You'll watch the live progress as we cross-reference your brand against top market leaders to identify every strategic gap in your current growth approach. The Pinterest Health Score provides a comprehensive SEO grade across 5 core pillars, including authority and social traction. AI diagnosis identifies hidden performance barriers, while priority-based fixes establish a clear roadmap for the most impactful improvements. Engagement benchmarking reveals performance gaps compared to market standards, followed by keyword gap analysis to identify high-value search terms missing from the current strategy. The strategic format mix determines the ideal pin types for the niche, while posting consistency metrics track algorithmic health in real time. Market standing is visualized through a competitive leaderboard. Granular audits in the board quality and metadata sections ensure every description meets modern search standards. New content expansion areas are identified via opportunity topic suggestions. The complete intelligence report is available for download as a CSV file using the export button. For those who want a simplified action plan, the Growth Playbook transforms complex metrics into easy-to-follow steps. It covers everything from fixing your profile bio to choosing the right colors and shapes for your pins. It's a beginner-friendly guide designed to help you implement changes immediately and start seeing more views and followers. The engine behind these insights is Amazon Nova Lite, integrated through Amazon Bedrock. Nova Lite transforms raw Pinterest performance data into clear executive summaries and strategic recommendations, helping creators quickly understand performance gaps and grow their reach on Pinterest more effectively.